Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Wednesday morning, July 7th. We are looking at Window Traders market profile of the SPY, IWM, and QQQs. And as we speak, we are making new highs in the pre-market in SPY and ES, as you can see. QQQs already have exploded to a new all-time high in the pre-market. Remember, Russell filled their single prints, basically a nice B shape. They have a large sell tail. Right now they're trying to get to the top of M and start eating into it. Remember, in the middle of that sell tail is that 228.10 level, which once again becomes a hurdle that they need to overcome. Different story in NQ, QQQ, ES, and SPY is basically the sky is the limit, as we are exploding to new highs in QQQs and attempting to get to highs in SPY and ES. Right now, pre-market is 433.89 as our high. Then we have yesterday's high of 434.01, and the weekly high from Friday of 434.10. I wouldn't doubt if we have an all-time high in the pre-market prior. We have done 600,000 shares already, so definitely better volume than we did yesterday. Remember, what did the sellers accomplish yesterday? One thing and one thing only. They put the daily into balance. That's it. They failed miserably at everything else. Now, for our downside, again, destinations far and wide apart. If we do not gap higher, 432.06, our overnight low, and then 430.01, yesterday's low. We're trading at about 434. So that'll be interesting because there's nothing as far as support yesterday to the downside. If we gap higher, we do use yesterday's high of 434.01. So the game plan for this morning, for now, and even at 9:30, if we gap higher, you have to take the call play. You'll have higher value, and you'll know you're out, right? Friday's high and yesterday's high are fairly close together. So if we gap higher, there's nothing above us. 435 becomes a visual level, I guess, and then the 440 level. So I would take a long on a gap higher, out if the gap fills. That's one call play. As far as a put play, if we don't gap higher, or we gap high and come right back in, then you could use both yesterday and Friday's highs as a put play. If you get acceptance back above them, out. But again, you would have higher value, but there's really nothing below. So if you take the put play and they can't get back above yesterday's high or Friday's high, now the algos are going to have to start searching for a level to the downside. And right now, until you get more MGI, that first downside destination would be your overnight low. Two early plays here in CamelbackTrading.org's voice channel room. And then again, I'm just going to show you the daily on the chart. Monthly healthy, weekly healthy. It's a 2-day balance. So play balance rules. Top of the balance is Friday's high. The bottom of it is yesterday's low. So it'll be interesting to see if we can get above Friday's high. If not, I will take a put play, because if you can't get above the balance high, eventually the destination is the balance low. Good luck trading today. Have a great day, and we'll recap at 4 p.m. And please like these videos and subscribe.